Okay. Next, screening of developmental delay. Main screening of developmental delay. Wait. Students. Only 18 members. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. Main you can observe here, screening of developmental delay means you can screen means you can observe to the how their developmental delay, how the delay of the developmental just you can observe in the screen. Main here developmental screening test is a quick and generally measurement of skills. This developmental screening test easily you can quickly immediately do identification of the measurement of skills, how they have the skills. Immediately you can observing of the this one of the developmental screening test. Main here its purpose to identify children who are in need of further evaluation, what they have the needs and related needs, what they're giving of the evaluation, like a feedback. Whenever you starting of the developmental screening test, that time they will immediately they will you can identify the children what you want needs and what they're giving of the feedback. In the test time only they will give of the like this feedback. That's the main useful of the purposeful of the this developmental screening test. And a screening test is a mean to identify children who might have a problem. Children who have the main problem, any problem, like a vision problem, eye problem, ear problem, what main problem means related in the emotional behavior, so what they have the main problem, we can easily identification of the screening test. What ma? Okay. Next, the popular screening test. What that main popular screening test for check the developmental delay children means battery developmental inventory screening test. Means how their developing capacity, means how the delay of the capacity that related only you can check of the inventory screening test. And second B, Bali infant neurodevelopmental accreener. This main infant age means infant age means 1 to 3 years. Na? That age time how they're developing of the nerves and functioning total you can identifying of the in this screen test. And see child developmental inventories, how they develop children's how they're developing means how delay of the developmental skills this and all you can observe in the child developmental inventories. And last test, Denver developmental screening test means totally you can observe of the how they're developing of the totally this and all you can observe in the in Denver developmental screening test. This is the main screening of developmental delay test. And intervention. Intervention means you can implement of the some services. Which services you can implement to the for developmental delay children means counseling and training for a family. You can give to the counseling and train to the family means related to the developmental delay. You can educate to the about the developmental delay. This and all you can counseling and train to the family members. And educational program you can conducting and you can provide of the educational program from uneducated peoples now. In uneducated people don't know how to eat, what they want to eat in pregnant, and this and all don't know uneducated peoples. That's why they can't follow up the properly things. That's why the children also will affecting like this. There's a main educational program you can conduct. And medical services, whatever they have the any medical problem related you can provide to the medical services. and nursing service like a nursing education, nursing support to the particular peoples. Nursing services and nutritional service main, some people will get the nutritional deficiency, malnutrition, that time they're not properly growth and development of the body. That's why we can provide the nutritional services. Occupational therapy, occupational therapy means like a job related occupation income. Some people not get the proper income means they can't eat properly food and they can't maintain up the spend the money also. That time they will get the so many problem means job problem people's also. In that some occupational problem they have means they will also like that, not properly development of the skills in the job people's also. Like your age people's also not a development of the skills because of occupation. No money properly means you can't study properly, you can't get the proper education, and you can't get to the improve the skills and knowledge. That's why occupational therapy important. And physical therapy, normally whatever they have the physical problem and not have to the proper physical activities, that time we can provide the implement the physical therapy. And psychological services, some people will affecting of the about psychological problems, that time we can guidance, support, encourage psychotherapy. Like this we can give to the motivate to the peoples. That's why we can implement of the psychological services. Like this implement means automatic, nobody will get the developmental delay. This is a developmental delay topic. I think so third unit finish. All in third unit 4 topics have, in 4 topics finish. Okay, third unit finish. Okay, anybody have doubts?
Ma'am, scanning of development stage. Repeat, ma'am.
Screening of development. Last one, you are asking.
Yes, ma'am. Popular test for A, B, or C, D.
Wait. Okay. My voice not coming up.
No, ma'am, it's
Coming, ma'am.
Yes, well, now coming.
Before I am speaking, not listening a voice. Okay, wait, maybe net offing. There is Wi-Fi. Okay. Here, main screening of developmental delay means how you can identify of the developmental delay. Means children's how they're stopping of the developmental skills. This under you can test to the some test. What the test means here? Popular screening test 4 is there. First one, Bentley Developmental Inventory Screening Test. Main this screening test is a test for developmental delay. Main this test is a for test for to the developmental delay. Main this Bentley Developmental Inventory is one of the type of assessment commonly used of the determine infants and children. This first stage is a main assessment of the determine means identification observed to the infants and children, how they have the behavior, how they have the skills, how they developing of the body growth and development. This and all we can observe in the in Baddeley developmental inventory screening test. That is mean it assess determine of the infants children's. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
Mitali. Mitabar.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And second one, Bali Infant Neurodevelopmental Accreener. This is one of the same screening test for to the developmental delay. This main screening test designed to quickly screen infants between ages 3 and 24 months. This main you can use to the infants only. Like infants means ages of 3 and 24 months. Like 1 to 3 years to 24 months people's infants. That quickly you can observe of the infants how they're developing of the means neurological means now is not properly functioning means that mindset mind knowledge are sorry like a mind brain function also not doing properly functioning. That's why they'll get to the sometimes abnormal behavior to the peoples because of nerves also. That's why infantly 3 years peoples you can 24 3 years to 24 months that peoples you can observe of the neurological impairment. Neurological impairment means loss of the neurological function. In case that infant people's loss of the neurological function means that time that mindset developmental skills also total delay. That's why main you can observe the related neurological to the infants. And third one, child developmental inventories. Main child developmental inventory means like their inventories like any good activities, play activities, like means walking activities. Like these inventories have or not to the students and having of the not having to the children. So what the children's not having the proper developmental, this under we can observe to the children's only how they have the activities, which activities, physical activities or behavioral how they and hearing capacity how, vision capacity how means this and all you can observe to the children's. Next fourth one, Denver developmental screening test. Main this test is a main introducing of the 1 year mark. This test introducing of the 1967. This introducing of the 1967 main identifying of the young children. Young children means like up to age 6. Up to age 6 with their developmental problems. Whenever that age increasing, that young children, that time automatically sometimes they will developing of the problems. That's why main there how they have the problems in the age increasing time and young children developing time what they have the problems. That and all you can observe in the Denver developmental screening test. Means that improvement they have improvement once in case your age like 9 20 21 your related age only you are maintaining a behavior activities but young children like example like 17 16 15 age people they're not improving of the related age developmental capacity also. Like this some people improving are not of the particular age. This like that you can observe in the whenever developmental screening they're improving or not of the related age. Okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
Then anybody have doubts? Boys? Sleeping ara boys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, third unit finish. My unit finish. Next I won't take up genetics. Okay. I want to take,
Okay,
otherwise
ma'am.
I don't want to take. Don't take, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Take.
No, ma'am.
Okay, anyway, my unit finish. Okay, thank you. Bye, all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
If you
Ma'am,
have any
okay,
doubts, immediately you can ask me anytime.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.